In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways to get high authority backlinks coming to your website. There's probably no better way to improve your rankings in search than to get high quality backlinks from reputable sites pointing back to your site. Google sees these high authority links as a vote of confidence and authority for your site, and over time, adding high authority backlinks will pay off in moving your online presence towards coveted page 1 rankings in Google search. So let's get started with 3 ways to build high authority backlinks to your website. Let's talk first about a powerful and often overlooked method for creating high value backlinks: broken backlink replacement. This strategy involves finding websites that have broken links, specifically links that once pointed to a resource but now lead to a 404 error page. A 404 error page is a URL that once had content but no longer does, and landing there results in an error. Here's how it's possible to turn this into an opportunity for your brand. We start by using a tool that can identify broken backlinks on high authority sites within your niche. The key is to find a broken link that was originally pointing to content relevant to your product or service. Once a broken link has been identified, we'll check the original content it was meant to link to in order to confirm that your link matches the type of product or service the original link did. If, for example, the broken link is on a page for a B2B news site, I would use the Muckrack Professional Media Database service to locate the contact information for the editor of the outlet and reach out to the editor and politely point out the broken link. Then suggest that they replace it with a link to your page. Very often, if the email pitch is worded in the right way, the editor will appreciate pointing out the broken link because that broken link is bad for their site, and oftentimes they will agree to replace the link for that reason. This backlink building technique not only helps the outlet by improving their user experience, but it also earns you a high quality backlink that's directly relevant to your brand. In other words, it's a win-win. They fix a broken link and you get a high quality backlink. The second link building technique I'd like to talk about is getting your product featured in a Roundup story on a high domain authority site. But first, exactly what is a Roundup story? Well, a Roundup story is an article that compiles and features multiple products, services, or expert opinions around a specific theme or topic. For example, you might see articles like Top 10 Gadgets of 2024 or Best USB Drive for Storing Audio. These stories are popular with readers because they offer a curated selection of the best options available. So how do you get your product featured in one of these Roundup stories? The first step is to identify high domain authority websites that frequently publish Roundup articles relevant to your product. These are often sites that cover industry news, trends, or product reviews. To identify desirable outlets, I use tools like BuzzSumo, Google Search, or Substack to find journalists or bloggers who are actively seeking products to include in their upcoming Roundup stories. Once an opportunity has been identified, it's time to pitch the editor or writer. I'll use the Muckrack Media Database to craft a concise, compelling, and tailored pitch to the specific editor. A strong pitch with the right product, one that aligns with the theme of the Roundup, often means there's a good chance that your product will get featured. Not only does this provide excellent exposure on a high authority site, but it also earns you a valuable backlink and drives targeted traffic to your website. Roundup stories are a fantastic way to get your product in front of a larger audience, especially when featured on a high traffic, high authority site. Remember, the key is in the pitch. It's important to make it relevant, make it compelling, and make it easy for the journalist to say yes. Finally, let's talk about a backlink strategy that not only earns high quality backlinks, but also positions you as a thought leader in your industry. That strategy is pitching op-eds and bylines. This approach is all about leveraging your expertise to contribute valuable insights to top publications. So what are op-eds and bylines? Well, an op-ed is a guest opinion piece written by you, usually offering a unique perspective or argument on a current issue. A byline, on the other hand, is an article written by you that credits you as the author, often providing in-depth insights or advice on a specific topic. Both op-eds and bylines are often tagged at the end of the article with a short bio about you as the writer, as well as a link to your website. This approach to backlink building has three powerful benefits. First, getting published in reputable news outlets boosts your credibility and establishes you as an authority in your field. Second, it also provides a platform to showcase your brand and expertise to a wider audience. And third, and most importantly, these articles often include backlinks to your website, which are incredibly valuable given the high domain authority of the publications. We can secure op-eds and bylines by first identifying the right outlet for the pitch, and secondly, crafting a compelling pitch to the editor, convincing them that your thought leadership article will be of value to their readers. Once the pitch is approved, the final step is to write a compelling and convincing op-ed or byline article and submit it to the editor for publication. Let me give you an example of how this works. Suppose you work with a cybersecurity company and are an expert in cybersecurity. By contributing an op-ed to a leading tech publication on the importance of data privacy in today's digital world, you not only share your expertise, but also earn a backlink to your site from a highly respected source. This not only drives traffic to your site, but also enhances your site's SEO. So don't forget op-eds and bylines as powerful ways to generate high-quality backlinks to your site. Well, that wraps up this video on getting high-authority backlinks to your website. All three strategies, broken link building, Roundup stories, and op-eds and bylines, are proven ways to get high-authority backlinks to your website, which over time will pay off in higher rankings in Google search for keywords and keyword phrases that you want to rank for. If you have any questions about these three backlink building strategies, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any questions, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll make sure to create more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.